Yeah, I'm sure Trish can do. Watch this. Yeah, why did the bald man pay rabbit? So he said, it's for distance, look like hairs.
Britain has got talent.
Why was the onion crying? He found himself in a pickle. Why did the cats fall in the train?
What's happened here?
Yeah. You get a big yes from me.
Yeah, when Spiders play football, Wembley. Why do men carry walking sticks? The sticks can't walk themselves. And the grey Russian Irishman thinks all wellies. Yeah, why do the one have the man across the road? Gets a second-hand shop. Well, I can say that. He got 12 months. Yeah, it's funny right for you. Totty and Finny went to bed, Clyde rolled over and Finny was dead. It's the one. Upsy Duxy sat on the wall, eating some 2 bananas. Went to think put the skins down his best pyjamas. Yeah, what sort of cream? The pigs use sauce. Ointment.
I like that. Was it a children's party?
Oh, now pigs could fly. Price of bacon will go up. What's Batman saying he wants his midday meal? Dinner, Batman. What's Batman carry worms? Feed Robin. Yeah, what the birds have for breakfast? Sweet bits.
It's 3 hours to Manchester, is it?
Yeah, why did the egg truck cross the road? See its flat mate. Why did the chicken cross the road? Gets inside. Yeah, what ends lay the longest? Dead ones.
We go into a tunnel.
Best one, yeah.
When we come out the other side, do you think she'll still be there?
Touching me. But the policeman said to his tummy, you're under arrest. Yeah, when the policeman cried, he put his pants on.